I'm going to show you how to use the Uber Driver app if you're driving in Canada. First, download the Uber Driver app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your driver account details, or create one if you're new. Next, you need to upload your documents, like your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Once Uber approves your documents, you'll be ready to start driving. Simply tap Go Online to start accepting ride requests. The app will notify you when there's a ride nearby. Once you accept a ride, use the in-app navigation to get to the pickup location. The Uber Driver app has built-in maps that make it easy to follow directions. When you arrive, tap Start Trip after the rider gets in. Follow the navigation to the destination, then tap End Trip once you arrive. It's that simple. Finally, you can view your earnings from the home screen of the app. Uber pays weekly, or you can use Instant Pay to cash out sooner. And that's it. You're all set to start driving with Uber in Canada.